it's Kamori, and today we're going to be making the dress for Annie the shopkeeper from the video game Splatoon. So let's get started. For Annie's dress, we're going to be using Simplicity 8396. This is the same pattern that I used for the Pokeball dress. And I know in the concept art, Annie's dress is a little bit more form-fitting. However, I find that the shape to be a bit more flattering on me, so that's why I'm using this pattern. So we're not going to be putting the Pokeball belt on it, obviously, and we're also going to leave off the sleeves and the facing for the neckline, and we're just going to finish those edges with bias tape. And for the fabric, I'm using this marbled green keepsake calico cotton that I got from my local Joann's, and we're going to be cutting out the pieces and zigzagging around the edges to keep them from fraying. Take the back bodice pieces and we're going to sew the dart according to the instructions included with the pattern. Then we're going to take the bodice front pieces and the bodice side pieces and sew them together. To make the ties on the dress, we're going to start by cutting 2 long rectangles out of the green fabric. Then we're going to fold the fabric in half and sew it together along the side, leaving one end open so that it can be turned right side out. Once it's been turned right side out, we're going to press it flat. Then we're going to sew the tie to the side front of the dress, making sure to leave enough space so that we can add the skirt on the bottom. Sew the front of the bodice to the back of the bodice along the side seams and along the shoulder seams. Then we're going to finish the armholes using some bias tape. Then we're going to take the skirt pieces. I ended up shortening them a little bit so that they looked a bit more like Annie's design. Then we're going to sew them together along the center front seam and along the 2 side seams. Then, putting right sides together, we're going to sew the skirt onto the bodice. Sew the 2 sides together along the center back seam and insert a zipper. To finish the edges, we're going to hem the bottom of the dress using a rolled hem, and we're going to finish the edge of the collar with some bias tape, just like we did for the armholes. And with that, Annie's dress is done. For more video tutorials on how to make the rest of her outfit, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.